Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create a visiting card design, business card. This is the size of this business card, 88.9 by 50.8 millimeter. This is the base size. I'll just double click on this rectangle tool. I'll get the rectangle of that same size. Now I'll draw a small rectangle here, or I'll create a copy of this. Just drag like this and press right click to create copy. Then I'll draw a square, select rectangle tool, press Ctrl and draw a square like this. Then I'll rotate it to 45 degree. Select this rectangle, hold shift and select this background and press E. Then just drag it like this, hold Ctrl and drag it and place it like this. This node, drag and place it on this line. I'll increase the size of this, hold shift and increase the size. Then you select shape tool and select this node and just drag it like this. So select only this node, not all, and drag it. Okay. Now select smart fill tool and fill color here and select this and select this rectangle, hold shift and select this and click on weld here. We got a shape here. I'll give a red color to this, red color, and select this object. I'll create a copy and keep it aside. Select this, hold Ctrl and drag it like this. Okay, then create a copy of this. Press plus from keyboard and press left arrow key. Okay, then hold shift and increase the width, increase the height and select smart fill tool and fill color here. Now I'll delete this object and delete this. Bring it. I'm pressing left arrow key. Now I'll select this object, decrease the size of this, hold shift and decrease the size and hold shift and select this background and press A to align the centers horizontally, and then hold Ctrl and bring it here. Okay, now this corner value is 2.002. I'll give the same value to all the corners, 2.002. Copy, paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste, Ctrl V, enter, press enter. Then click on contour inside, decrease the offset value and number of steps to 1.025, 1.2, okay, 1.2. I'll keep it 1.2. Then press right click, break contour group apart, okay, ungroup. Then you select this inner object, hold shift, and this outer object, click on trim. We'll get this object. Now give color, black color to this. I'll change the color 90% black. Okay. Now you select this in the middle object and increase the thickness of this. I'll change the color of this to red color. .5 mm thickness, and press Ctrl Shift Q to convert outline to object. Now this outline is converted to object, and now change the color of this to black. Okay. Now I'll select the background and give black color. Select all and remove outline of this. Just right click on this cross mark, or you can click none here. Okay. Now select this object and apply drop shadow to this. Select drop shadow and drag it like this. Decrease the feather. I'll make it 8 and keep the opacity 50. And select this object. Click on transparency tool and apply transparency to this. Okay, adjust it like this. Place the logo here. Okay. Select all this, group it, and create a copy of this. This is one side, and we have to create the other side. Just ungroup it, select all this and rotate it to -90°. Group it, hold shift and select this background and press T for top and C for center. Ungroup it, I'll rotate this. Just select Freehand tool, draw a line from here, from this node to this corner. Then select Smart Fill tool and fill color here. I'll delete this line now. Create a copy of this. Just drag and right click. Click on mirror horizontally and select this. Hold shift and select this. Press L for left, T for top. L and T. Now select all this and weld. Okay. Now we have to send it back. Press Control page down to send step by step back. Okay. Control page down, Control page down, Control page up. Select all, group, remove, outline. Okay. You can place text here. Okay. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.